Welcome back to Outdoors with the Morgans. Kind of a overcast and windy day today, but it's about 30 degrees warmer than it was yesterday, so I'm not complaining. But I'm down here in the wood bunker. We're gonna finish cleaning this out. We're gonna fire up the excavator, fire up the Wolfe Ridge, and start filling this bunker up. Well, we're back at it, Melissa.
Yeah.
Feels good. So I told her when she came over, I said, there's some cherry in here that's been dead for a long time. It's not very heavy. I said, just load that on here and I'll get the oak. And about a minute into it, I see her throwing these big oaks on there. You won't have to go to the gym tomorrow. I'm embarrassed to say I threw those oak in there with the excavator. I wasn't planning on it.
Okay.
But I'm like, it's sitting right there. I'll just toss them in there.
Why not? You got to mix it up a little.
So what's new in your world, Melissa?
Well, let's see. Can you believe it's February? It's crazy.
I looked at
Time's just flying.
I looked at the forecast, 40 degrees for the next 2 weeks.
Good.
I'm calling it right now. Phil has no idea what he's talking about. He said 6 more weeks of winter, and we haven't even had any winter yet.
Yeah, well, March might bring some.
Yeah.
We're known for big snowstorms in March. But yeah, life is good. Back at it, you know. Can't leave Mike down here too long alone. So
yeah, I can get in trouble.
Come down and
well, I'm gonna
take long at all.
I'm gonna keep splitting for a little bit. We got some family coming over. You're gonna go up and make dinner.
Yeah, cheeseburger soup.
And I'll be up in just a bit.
If you want the recipe, go to Morgan's Off the Leash. It was my very first video.
Yeah, I'm gonna put that video up above. Don't let me forget. Her cheeseburger soup is fantastic.
Yeah, you'll enjoy it. You'll enjoy the soup. The videoing has come a long way, which I need to get one out, but you know, it's a surprise.
All right, we split 2 firewood buckets on the tractor, which is probably, I don't know, a little over 1/3 of a cord, not quite half a cord. It won't look like much in the wood bunker. Let's take a look here. Got a long way to go to fill this up. But that was a mix of cherry, red oak, and just a little bit of maple. But I tell you what, you get a couple people like Melissa, and we'll get Levi up here. What we're planning on doing, maybe next weekend, we'll get nephew Christian, Levi, and Melissa, if she's available, and myself. I'll get a whole bunch of this wood back here, all this stuff, get a bunch of it cut up, and I think in about 1 day's time, we could probably fill this firewood bunker or close to it. So it may be what we do. We'll have to see how it goes. But anyway, I think that's about it for today's video. I appreciate y'all being here, and I will catch you on the next one.